everyone, it's Craig with Kuat. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting build. We have Kris with Fastrack Overland coming to Kuat to have a panel kit installed. Kris is already rocking our IBEX A1 SKU for his 3rd Gen Tacoma, and today we are going to transform his rig with a panel kit. So follow along and let's get going.
I think I got it. Are they going to?
I don't know. This side.
Just let that be noted, that was his. Here we go. We'll do it out of the way first. Okay.
Got another T9. Like an adhesive.
All right, I'll wash that down, clean it up. And mind our $4,000 table. And I was doing details while I was here too. The first time I went down a trail and just scratched my vehicle, I was a mess. You know, I'm just like, ah.
You hear the branches.
Oh yeah,
and just
scraping. And I thought it was like just ripping paint, chunks coming out, you know, because it was so bad. And then you get back and you clean it up, and it's like, ah.
Yeah, it's not.
But you know, that's the thing with these. You can still take care of them and keep them clean and do the maintenance, but they're gonna look used because of what you do with them, you know. That's just part of it. I mean, 2 more, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just no easy way around it, is it?
Come on, man.
How you doing? I had to have some onboard air. Just set it up there and then we'll get it. Oh, this is super light.
Yeah.
Super light. Oh, it goes down inside.
Yeah.
Don't do that to me. Oh.
You can run it over.
Dude.
Sweet.
Dude, that's easy.
I'll come in and zip that down.
That's nice. Nice, dude. Full benefits, all this stuff. Put down here. I got it. Perfect. Most people don't. Slide on that stuff. Oh yeah, that wasn't bad at all.
Low mode is perfect. Own size. Which isn't great for the.
Then we're gonna tilt it in. Let me know when you think you've got it.
I am joined here by none other than Kris.
What's up, dude?
Hey, thanks for coming up to
man.
Kuat.
Oh yeah. Awesome place.
We have Kris's 3rd Gen Tacoma, and Kris just got a special upgrade. In addition to the IBEX, Kris is now rocking our panel kit, which is good for the 3rd and 4th Gen Tacoma. So this thing completely will transform. It will seal off your inside So now you can out of sight, out of mind.
Yeah.
Adds a security element and keeps the weather out. Still fit really nicely, Kris, with your Go Fast camper and your Takura awning. So what do you think?
I absolutely love it, dude. I've been wanting this for so long, and now that I've got it, I am completely stoked. I just like, because this thing, it's got some style, you know what I'm saying? It's not just flat doors and all that. I mean, it's sexy. I like it.
Of course, it's not, this truck, there is a lot going on, and it's not one thing jumps out at you, but the whole entire build. It's pretty neat when you just start to go through and you're like, oh my gosh, check this out, check this out, check this out.
You know what they say, they're never done.
They're never done. There's always something else.
Until you sell it, they're never done.
For more information, Kris is actually going to have this rig here at our open house party and for the More Expo.
Yes, sir.
You'll be able to come check this out, walk around, ask questions, learn more about what Kris has done to this build. He has a ton of insight, so.
Absolutely, and definitely we're going to be there as Overland of America, which is an event that we have in Jay, Oklahoma, September 12th to the 14th. So we'll have a booth indoors. Make sure to come by and say hi to us. I think it's B80.
Sweet.
Yes, sir.
Well, Kris, thank you all so much.
Thank you, man. I
look forward
appreciate it.
to the rest of the week and hanging out with you.
Absolutely.
As always, don't forget to mash that like button, subscribe, and tune in next time.